deceased baby bird, where is your herd? Or is it a flock? Fuck, this is absurd. Writing a song about your dead baby bird, sleeping in the tar, the other birds full of worms. Carcass rotting in the heat, now the bugs will feast, now the flies will swarm. Dead baby bird, now you're malformed, you're malformed. Dead baby bird, sweeping in the tar. You didn't get too far, you're lying on my roof. Tried to scrape you off, but you're stuck like glue. What should I do? What should I do? Guess I'll leave it alone. I mean, I wrote it a song. Dead baby bird, can't sing along. Here comes the rain, wash you away. Feathers and brains right down my drain. Feathers and brains right